The first part of this chapter on the periodic table is a recap of what you have learned before. So first thing, this is group. So this is group 1, this is group 2, this is group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0. Group 0 being those with a completely filled valence shell, thus being unreactive. And this is how we look at period. So going across, this is period 1 and this is period 2. So notice that group is written as Roman numbers, period is written as normal numeral characters. So let's take a look at what you have already known. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is in the periodic table, elements are arranged in order of increasing proton and atomic number. Okay, so again, elements are arranged in order of increasing proton atomic number. Next, you need to be able to draw a zigzag line, and everything on the left are metals, everything on the right is non-metals, except for hydrogen, which is an exception, which is a non-metal, even though it's on the left. Finally, we need to be able to understand what does group 1 stand for. So everything in group 1 will have one valence electron. So for example, lithium will have 3 electrons, giving it 2.1, and it will lose 1 electron to form Li+. So everything in group 1 will form plus, positive charge. Okay, and how then do we know what else about each group? If it's in the same group, other than all having 1 valence electron for group 1, all being Li plus for group 1, it will also have the same chemical properties because the way it reacts is dependent on the number of valence electrons. For period, for lithium is in period 2. How do we know lithium is in period 2? When we draw the electronic configuration out, you can see that lithium has 2 electron shells. So all in the same period going across will have the same number of shells. So if lithium have 2 electron shells, beryllium will also have 2 electron shells, and boron will also have 2 electron shells. So this is what the first part of the chapter periodic table requires you to know. Please write this in your periodic table and as well as add in the charges. So everything in group 1 will be plus, everything in group 2 will be 2 plus, everything in group 3 will be 3 plus, and everything in group 5 will gain 3 electrons, so it will be a charge of 3 minus. Group 6, charge of 2 minus, and group 7, charge of minus.